Wait.
Is it only for the first person? Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I love it. There you go. There's $1.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Oh, what a hugger. What a hugger.
Thank you.
Yes. Love it. Oh, so good. There's a hug. Yes. Oh, okay. You got the hug. I love that. Oh, okay. Aw. Oh, okay. But we're going to give dollars out here. We're going to give dollars. Love it. Here you go. Love it. Oh, what a hug. There you go. That's it. There you go. Yes. Love it. Thanks. There. $6. Hello. Yes, sir. Oh, no chance. No chance. Take one else. There. Take one. Good. Okay, good. Did you win a shirt? No. No. Well, then you won $1. Thank you. I put in the comments follow up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. No. Oh, thank you. You get my last $1.
I have a different question for you. Can I take a photo of your haircut?
Yes.
Because I want to cut my hair like you have yours.
Whoa. Okay.
You're like inspiring me.
Then we shall do that. Yes.
Hell yeah. Can I also have a
Yes.
photo?